Famous Victorians.
Hello, this is part 10 of famous Victorians. My brother here to help us today.
Hello.
Florence loved writing. She wrote more than 150 books in pen that she published. Her books, Notes on Nursing and Notes on Hospital in 1859, explaining what's in nursing practice. She was also fluent in many languages at a young age, some of them being English, French, German, and Italian, plus a basic knowledge of Greek and Latin. Florence would nurse soldiers at night holding a lamp, but let her nickname Lady with the Lamp.
Famous Victorians.
Thanks for listening to my video. This is my outro. Okay, bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.